Welcome to TikTok Shop Connector by CedCommerce. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Qualification Center to manage responsible persons, link products, and review manufacturer details. From the left panel, click Qualification Center. By default, the page opens on the Responsible Person tab. Here, you can review the list of responsible persons, along with their name, email, address, phone number, and available actions. To create a new responsible person record, click Add Responsible Person. A pop-up will open where you can enter the required responsible person's details. Add the name, phone number, business email, address, postcode, and country. Complete all required fields carefully. Once the details are added, click Save. After saving, the app confirms that the responsible person has been created successfully. To manage an existing record, click the Actions menu on the right side of the row. From here, you can choose to edit the record or manage the products linked to that responsible person. If you select Edit, the same information form opens again, allowing you to update the responsible person's details. Make the required changes and click Save to update the record. To view or manage assigned products, click Manage Products from the Actions menu. On the next page, you'll see the selected responsible person's details at the top, along with the list of products currently linked to them. To assign more products, click Link New Products. A selection pop-up opens, where you can search and choose the products you want to assign to this responsible person. Select the checkbox for the required product. Then continue with the linking process. Once the product is successfully assigned, it appears in the linked product list for that responsible person. You can now review the linked product details, including the product title, category, and any additional responsible person information. Next, switch to the Manufacturer tab at the top of the Qualification Center. Here, you can review manufacturer records and see any compliance alerts related to missing manufacturer details for your products. To create a new manufacturer record, click Add Manufacturer and follow the same steps as adding a new responsible person.